Hi, I'm Prachiti and I'm from Style Cracker. Today we're going to show you how to get punked. So for the uninitiated, punk is all about doing your own thing and not following any rules. We're going to talk about some really key elements here, which include studs and spikes, and even a safety pin can form a really big statement in punk fashion. So let's bring your inner rebel out. Let us now explore our day look. I have with me here Megan, who is our in-house expert on punk. So Megan, what are your thoughts on punk and rebel and punk fashion?
For me, punk is about being confident and being out there and bold. It's about going against all the rules and just
Having fun
and doing your own thing.
So the first pieces that we're going to discuss today are a plaid shirt and a graphic tee. Plaid is a huge trend under punk right now, and so is a graphic tee. It just adds to the punk element all the more. So Megan, what do you think?
I think this is definitely something that I would wear. Another way I think you can wear it is by taking it off from over you and tying it around your waist.
Definitely, yeah.
Yeah, what do you think we can pair this with?
I have this really cool pair of distressed denims right here. You can literally DIY them yourself, if you can't find this in the market. And I think it's a really cool product, just go with it.
Yeah, for sure. Okay, so what accessories do you think I should wear with this outfit?
To complete the look, I think we can go in for a gunmetal or chain, sling like this, which is also very punk.
Okay.
And to top it off, we can go in for some funky accessories, like maybe this chain. What do you think? It's like headphones, are really
That's
cool.
so cool. Yeah, I would definitely wear that. Yeah, we should see how it looks.
How do you think it looks?
I think it looks
I love
really
it.
cool, really funky and really punk.
As for the shoes, I absolutely love your high top wedges. I think they'll be perfect to complete our day look. So yeah, Megan, how about you just go and try on our day look?
I can't wait to try this on.
So that was the punk trend for you guys. Tell me how you wear it. Until then, signing off, Prachiti from Style Cracker.